Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today, we have an exciting product to review that will make cleaning a whole lot easier. If you're tired of using those traditional air cans or struggling with dust in hard-to-reach areas, you're in for a treat. Meet the KUKIHO Cordless Electric Air Blower, a powerful, rechargeable compressed air duster designed to tackle all your cleaning needs, from computer keyboards to car interiors. Let's dive into its features and see why this could be your new favorite tool. First, let's talk about power. The KUKIHO Air Blower boasts a 4-speed motor that ranges from 35,000 to 100,000 RPM, offering a tornado-like airflow for deep, efficient cleaning. Whether you're cleaning your computer, your car, or your air filters, this tool ensures 99% dust removal, making it a top choice over traditional compressed air cans. The adjustable speed settings let you customize the airflow to suit your needs, whether you're tackling tough dirt or lighter dusting. The rechargeable 3,300 mAh battery is another standout feature. It provides up to 120 minutes of continuous use on a single charge, and the fast Type-C charging ensures you're back to cleaning in no time. With just 2 to 3 hours of charging, you're good to go. Plus, its circuit protection design guarantees safe usage, preventing overheating. Another benefit is its portability. Weighing only 223 grams, this compact blower is perfect for on-the-go use. It's not only great for cleaning, but also useful for outdoor activities like inflating camping beds, cooling off during hikes, or even as a hair dryer after swimming. You'll find many uses for it. So, whether you're at home, in the office, or outdoors, the KUKIHO Cordless Electric Air Blower is your versatile cleaning companion. Say goodbye to messy air cans and hello to efficiency and convenience. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button. And if you haven't already, subscribe for more reviews and tips. Also, check out the product through the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.